field is green. Drivers, please step behind the line. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go!
And all 5 bots are off, moving into autonomous portion of the match. EagleBots trying to get a core up on that level 5, but they falls down to the trough, still earning them 3 points for their alliance. Team 7451, Avenger Robotics, successfully getting a coral on level 4 for 7 points for their alliance. Their alliance partner, Metal Mountain, also does the same, earning 14 points in total. Going in the teleop portion of the match, the Blue Alliance has a slight lead of 20 points, so the Red Alliance is 17 points. Team 4112, the EagleBots line themselves up, depositing another coral in the trough for 2 more points. Team 6905, Raiders of the Ark, right now getting some more coral from the human player station to bring it back over to the coral reef. An algae has been put into the net processor by 6023. They just put a second one in with the human player for blue, throwing it into the net. Same thing is happening on red for the mechanisms. Doing same, tying it back up, 35 and 35. Team 4112, the EagleBots getting some more coral on level 4 for 5 additional points. As 6023 disc spots, remove another algae to put some more coral on in a few moments. As the EagleBots make their way to putting another coral up on the upper branch, as Avenger Robotics puts one on level 4 for 5 points for their Blue Alliance. Algaes are flying over into the Blue Alliance's net from the human player, as the mechanisms deposit another one for 4 additional points. We are now halfway through the match. The Blue Alliance is in the lead, 75 to the Red Alliance's 65. 6023 and 6905 both getting some coral right now from the human player station, as disc spots deposited on level 4 for 5 additional points. The EagleBots are trying to see if they can find any room. Looks like they're trying to place it on one that already had it, and unfortunately falls back down to the bottom of the sea. Checking back in on Blue Lines, we're going to go ahead and see the mechanisms depositing their algae into that net for 4 additional points, as Avenger Robotics putting some more coral on level 4 for 5 additional points for their alliance, as they prepare to break 100 points. 4112, the EagleBots putting some more coral on the trough for 2 more points, as this spots deposit a coral for 5 points up in that level 4. Team 6905, Raiders of the Ark Terabyte, getting some more coral from the human player station as they bring it over to the coral reef. Team 7451, Avenger Robotics, looks like they're lining themselves up for a deep level climb. If they can get it successfully, that'll be 12 points for their alliance. The mechanisms earning 4 points right now by getting their algae into that net, as the disc bots line themselves up to put one last coral on that reef in the last 10 seconds of the match. It is still anyone's game. A climb could mean the difference. Avengers is in the air. 6905 parks themselves underneath the barge for 2 points. Same thing with the mechanism. 6023 tried to get under, but then ran a little short of time, and that is going to be all the time we have for qualification match number 9. And the scores are in! And the fish are swimming across to tell us that it's the Blue Alliance with a final match score of 123 to the Red Alliance's 95. The Blue Alliance earning 5 ranking points for that match, with the Red Alliance earning 1 ranking point for the autonomous portion of the match.